You talked a lot about how you're leveraging additive on the design and production side of the house, but it's also enabling business growth. Can you share more about how you're using additive to open up new revenue streams?
Yeah, definitely. So originally, this we picked up the 3D printer mainly for my research and development iteration process to reduce. But where we've really seen another value add to the 3D printer was that it's now allowing us where typically with our current suppliers, we have minimum order quantities of about 500 to 1,000, which that's quite a few parts, especially, our actuators are $100. Some of those smaller companies who are just starting out designing their new device and they're using one or two of these in their device, but they need a few to prototype. But they need a slight modification that our stock units may not work for them. So this is where AM comes in, additive manufacturing. It's just opened up so many more doors to us. So where now customers, I can say, yeah, we can lower MOQ down to from one if that's their requirement. I mean, some added cost there, but we can do that, or fit down to 50, we can do that as well. So we're seeing a lot of customers now who we'd have to say no to, where they're forced to either go somewhere else, um, or kind of use our stock unit, but doesn't necessarily work in their design. So they can't really design for their production because they can't receive those working parts yet. So now additive manufacturing has allowed me to make those custom parts in house within a couple days, as well as I'm now able to inspect those parts, ensure that they're to spec, and then we can build those into actuators and send those out within the week. Where before we're looking at minimum order quantity of 500, and we're looking at about 4 months before I could get those custom parts or custom actuators to the customer.
Wow, that's incredible. Not only how you've been able to speed up your own cycle time, but what you're doing for their products
Yeah.
and being able to innovate for their customer needs as well.